So I'm back in Milpitas at the Hilton Garden Inn, and this is room 112. It's a king room. So you walk in, and there's a closet here with little wire drawers, and an ironing board, and then a suitcase holder. And you have like a little station with a microwave, a Keurig, refrigerator, and you come in a little bit further. TV, there is, I think there's some drawers in here, or just some shelves underneath. And then a big mirror, lots of outlets at the desk. We'll look outside. I think it's just the parking lot is my guess. Yeah, it's the parking lot. When you land early in the morning and you just want a room, you just take the first one they'll give you. There's a little side chair, side table with a lamp. And then by the bed, there are reading lamps and then outlets right next to the bed, both a USB and a normal outlet. And then the bed, I think this hotel has a top sheet, maybe. Yes, it does. And on this side of the bed, a table with an alarm and another lamp. And then we'll go, oh, there's a full-length mirror right here. And then we'll go into the bathroom and turn the light on. Okay, so we got decent lighting, big sink, Neutrogena products, and there is a hairdryer, and then the bathtub, full-size bathtub with shower head. So this is room 112 at the Hilton Garden, Milpitas.